In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Cash App even if it's not available in your country, an easy fix that takes just a few minutes. If you've tried searching your App Store and couldn't find it, this method will solve the problem instantly. Cash App is officially available only in the United States and United Kingdom, which means people in other countries cannot download or use it directly. But don't worry, with a VPN, you can switch your virtual location and access it as if you were in one of these countries. This also protects your connection and keeps your personal information secure. Before we begin, I recommend using NordVPN because it's fast, reliable, and works perfectly for bypassing region restrictions. There's a link in the description if you want to try NordVPN at a great price while following along. Now let's set it up. First, go to the Google Play Store or App Store. Download NordVPN. Once you install NordVPN, open the app, log in, and choose the right region. If you want the US version of Cash App, connect to a United States server. If you need the UK version, choose the United Kingdom. After picking your location, tap Connect and wait for the VPN to secure your network. Now that you're connected, open your Play Store or App Store, and you'll see that Cash App is now available for download. This also fixes the issue where the app doesn't appear or shows regional errors. After installing it, open Cash App. Since your IP address is now coming from the US or UK, everything will load normally. You can create your account, log in, check your balance, or send money without restrictions. Using a VPN for Cash App also adds an important layer of security. NordVPN encrypts your traffic, which protects your banking details from Wi-Fi, snooping, trackers, or hackers, especially if you're using public networks. If Cash App still doesn't load, just switch to another US or UK server. NordVPN has thousands of fast servers, so you'll always find one that works smoothly. And that's it. You can now download and use Cash App even if it's not officially available in your country. This method works for both Android and iOS, and NordVPN keeps your connection safe while bypassing all regional restrictions. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and unlock apps like Cash App from anywhere in the world.